So, can you really start with $0 in 2025? Let's talk about what it actually takes to get started from scratch. Starting a business can be, honestly, one of the most rewarding decisions of your life, but only if it's done right. Below is your comprehensive roadmap broken into key phases covering everything you need and have to know. Phase 1. Mindset and Foundation. Before you even think about paperwork and websites, you gotta get your head in the game. Why do you want to start this business? Is it for freedom, money, purpose? Are you actually solving a real problem? And are you committed for the long haul? Like years, not just months? Phase 2. Idea validation. Most businesses fail because they build something nobody wants, so you definitely want to avoid that. Problem-solution fit means, can you clearly articulate the problem your business solves? And yeah, real people feedback is important. Talk to at least 20 ideal customers. Also, try to pre-sell or set up a wait list to see if people are actually willing to buy or sign up before you even launch. Phase 3. Market research. You need to know your industry, your competitors, and of course, your target market. Alright, so first things first. Google your competitors. Make a list of what they offer, their pricing, and, their strengths and weaknesses. Try using tools like Google Trends, Uber Suggest, or even Answer the Public. And don't forget to define your ideal customer profile. Think about their age, location, pain points, desires, and habits. Phase 4. Business planning. You don't need a huge 40-page plan, seriously. Just enough so you can think strategically and stay on track. You'll need to figure out your business model. So, how will you actually make money? Then, your startup budget. What's this all going to cost in the first 6 to 12 months? Next, your marketing plan. How are you going to get your first 100 customers? And finally, your break-even point. How many sales do you need to cover your costs? Real quick, if this brings value or helped you even a little bit, do me a huge favor. Smash that subscribe so you don't miss the next level stuff I'm dropping soon. Phase 5. Legal setup. This protects you and opens the doors to banking, taxes, and legitimacy. Choose your structure, like sole proprietorship LLC corporation, or whatever fits your needs best. Register your business with your local, state, or provincial government. Get a business number or tax ID. Think EIN in the United States or NEQ if you're in Quebec. Then open a business bank account. Oh, and if you want extra peace of mind, you can get liability insurance or even consult a lawyer. Phase 6. Branding and online presence. You can't look amateur in 2025. Even the simplest businesses need credibility. Alright, so first you want to choose a unique business name. Oh, and definitely check if the domain is available. Next, go ahead and buy that domain name. Then create a simple logo. You can use tools like Canva or maybe 99 Designs for that. After that, build a clean website. Whether you use WordPress, Shopify, or Squarespace really depends on your niche. And finally, set up your business profiles on places like Google Business, LinkedIn, Instagram, and so on. Phase 7. Product or service setup. Now, it's time to actually create the thing you'll sell. This is your product or service setup. Yeah, it's the 7th step to starting a business. Next up, you'll want to source suppliers. Think Alibaba, Faire, and others like that. Then figure out all the logistics, including shipping, inventory, and returns. And of course, price your product based on your margin plus the market value. Okay, so first things first, you need to define your service packages. Then create proposals and contracts that are clear and professional. And don't forget to set up scheduling, like using Calendly or something similar, to keep everything organized. Phase 8. Marketing and sales. Here's the thing. No marketing means no customers, and that means, well, no business. So yeah, marketing and sales are absolutely essential if you want to actually get things off the ground. Start by offering your product or service to your existing network. Then launch on social media and business directories to reach more people. You'll also want to join local groups like Facebook groups, meetups, or forums. And honestly, only use paid ads once you really know who your customers are. So, when it comes to getting the word out, you've got a few channels to explore. For organic reach, think SEO, blogs, YouTube, and content marketing. If you want to go the paid route, there's Google ads and Facebook or Instagram ads. And don't forget about direct channels like cold outreach, partnerships, and referrals. Phase 9, money management. Honestly, most small businesses go under because they mismanage cash. Money management is absolutely crucial, and it's the 9th step to starting a business. All right, here are some key tools for money management. You'll want accounting software like QuickBooks, Wave, or FreshBooks. Always keep your personal and business finances separate. Make sure you're tracking your profit, expenses, and cash flow. And seriously, don't forget to pay your taxes. If you're unsure about anything, it's always a smart idea to consult a bookkeeper or accountant. Phase 10, systems and automation. So here's the thing. Don't build yourself into a job. Instead, build systems. That's really the key to making your business run smoothly and giving yourself some freedom. Think about automating stuff like invoices, bookings, and follow-ups with tools like Zapier, Honeybook, or Dubsado. For email marketing, you could try MailerLite, ConvertKit, or Klaviyo. And for managing your customer relationships, maybe consider HubSpot, Notion, or even a Trello and Google Sheets combo. It just makes life a lot easier. Once things are stable, it's time to focus on scaling. That's when you can really start growing your business and taking it to the next level. So here are some key growth levers you should totally consider. Upsell your existing customers, set up referrals or loyalty programs, expand your product lines, create repeatable marketing funnels, and of course, hire or delegate tasks when you can. All right, let's talk about something super important. Mind your legal and taxes. Make sure to track your business expenses for deductions, file your quarterly and yearly taxes, and always stay compliant with the licenses and laws in your industry. Now let's get into your business toolkit, the must-haves. These are the essential tools you'll need to keep your business running smoothly. All right, so when it comes to building your business, there are a bunch of tools you can use for different needs. For logo design, you might want to check out Canva or Looka. If you need to set up a website, WordPress, Webflow, or Shopify are great options. For accounting, there's Wave, QuickBooks, and FreshBooks. Email marketing, MailChimp, ConvertKit, and Klaviyo have you covered. For CRM and tracking, Notion, Trello, and Airtable are super helpful. When it comes to payments, Stripe, PayPal, and Square are pretty popular. For invoicing, you can try Invoice Ninja or Zoho Invoice. And for social scheduling, Buffer, Later, and Metricool are all solid picks. So here's some final advice, just to set you up for success. Start lean, don't wait for perfect. Launch small, improve fast. Seriously, talk to your customers every week so you stay close to the pain. Make sure you track your numbers because what gets measured really does get managed. And remember, fail fast, learn faster. It's all just feedback. Thank you so much for watching, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.